Okay, here's a new idea and hopefully helpful way to clean your spray tips. This is super important since the holes are so much smaller now. What I did is I got a washing machine hose that's female to female. You put it on the hose bib, and then you attach these two brass fittings, and I'll send you the details, and then simply turn on the water. You can do it full blast, and it'll clean out all those little tiny micro holes easily. And you can take the screw off and the washer and do it again to make sure all the holes are clean. This is helpful if you're going to leave your lines loaded overnight. And this should get your spray tip pretty darn clean. Hope this is helpful.